Hey guys, it's me Stace. For today's video, we're going to be using the Brother Scan and Cut. I am using the Canvas workspace on my computer and I am using a Mac. When I open up the software, we have the project library or the design library. Behind that, we have the actual workspace. The image I want to use is inside the library, so I'm going to scroll down to find that one. And I want to use the mug face stickers. I'm going to go and click on this picture here matches mat A. You can kind of see that there. Then we have mat B. The faces I want are on mat A. I'm going to click on that. It'll say processing. I can close this out. And now that's on my mat. I'm going to zoom in so you can see the mat better. Now I want to delete these pieces. I don't want to use those. The rest of the pieces I do want. I'm going to take this piece here, highlight all those images, right click on that and choose group. Take these two, right click and choose group. So they're going to stay together for me. I'm going to bring this up here. Move my mouth over there, the glasses over here, and I do want making two mugs, and they'll both be double-sided. One will have a guy and one will have a girl. So I'm going to grab this piece and bring it up with my black up there. I'm going to highlight both of those, right-click on that and choose duplicate. So now I have two sets of those. Move this over. Do the same for my lips. Right-click on that and choose duplicate. So we have that one there, and also my glasses. Right click and choose duplicate. And they're going to go there. So I'm going to use a piece of regular old vinyl for the black right here, a piece of red, and a piece of brown or gray. So on the very top, I'm going to go ahead and click on File, Transfer via the Internet. The little pop-up says it was transferred. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. On the machine, I'm going to hit Pattern, hit the little Wi-Fi button, access my design, cut it out in vinyl, and then we'll apply it to our mugs. Alright guys, here we are all cut out. I'm going to take everything off my mat. I did have to use tape to tape down my vinyl. So make sure you get all the tape off your mat if you do use the tape. And I have my blade on my machine. It was set to 2 to do a kiss cut, and I did test that already. Alright, so we have all that. I'm going to take my mugs and some rubbing alcohol to clean the mugs off, just to get rid of any kind of oil or fingerprints on them. Okay, that one's good. And this one as well, and then they'll dry while we're waiting on our vinyl. Okay, so we have our vinyl here. Tape. All right, I'm going to use my little Cricut tool here to weed this out. Make sure I get all my tape off. Okay, just going to start in the upper corner and just kind of poke at it to separate the layers and then pull it out. Oh, did I miss an eye? I think I did. Go ahead and poke that eye back down there. So be careful, you want to pull it away slow, you don't want to miss anything. That eye is going to give me a little bit of an issue. We'll come up this way with it. There we go. Okay, so we have that one done. Let's do the red. Get rid of that tape. Okay, we have that. Now we have the glasses. I did not measure the images either. I figured they were already set for a mug, so I thought they would be fine for the size. You can of course measure your mug and then make these bigger or smaller. This will make a great dad's gift because they do have the mustache as well, the glasses. Be good for Father's Day. Alright, so we have all that done. Let's going to take the inner pieces out. and the lips. It's stuck there. There we go. Okay, so all that is done. Oh, the inner part of the mouth here we gotta get. And again, I look at it kind of sideways so I can see where it cuts, so I can grab the right piece. Okay, that is good to go. All right, I'm going to use this transfer tape. So go ahead and cut it. All right, so I first want my girl. So I'm going to put that here. I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half again. Now this one has that paper backing on it. Okay. I'm going to lay this across the eyes like that. Take my scraper, if I can find it, give me 1 second. Of course it's not where it's supposed to be, isn't that the way it always is? All right, take something you can rub against that. Yeah, make sure we're going to pick it up. I'm actually going to flip it over this way to help it stick. Okay, so we have our eyes and eyelashes. Let's go ahead and grab my trimmer. I can put the mug right there, hopefully. Okay. I can't do it that way, guys. I gotta do it this way so I can see to make sure it's straight. We're gonna go for it. And then just give it a little rub. Now I would definitely hand wash this. I would not put it in the dishwasher. Let's grab our mouth right there. Peel it up. And then plop it on. I'm going to hold it up so I can kind of see. I know it's hard for you guys to see, but that was a good size for the mug. What do you think? Right? All right, let's do the other side. Let's grab the rest of her eyes over here. And I'm just going to keep on using this transfer tape until it tells me I can't use it anymore. Let's just rub it really well this way. Then if it's not coming up for you, I'm going to flip it over and just kind of help it along. There we go. Okay, I got that one. Okay. Now I'm not worried about having the same height on this side because it's two different sides of the mug, so nobody will know. Again, give it a good little rub. And plop it off. And do the mouth. Super easy, and I think it's adorable. This would be great for a teenager too, like it's kind of like a glam mug, the girl with the lips. Okay, so our girl mug is done. What do you think? Super cute. All right, let's do Dad. So Dad, the whole face, I'm going to take the whole face up. So I'm just going to grab a larger piece of this transfer tape. That way I can grab the whole face at one time. Okay, so I'm just going to pull a little bit of it back, like that. It's pretty forgiving, this transfer tape. Okay, just make sure I'm on the one image here. All right, we're going to give that a rub. I'm actually going to cut it. I don't need all this tape. Okay. Again, if it's not sticking, flip it over and help it. Just kind of hold it down like such. Okay, one more eye for Dad. Okay. Let's grab the mug. And I'm just going to kind of eyeball it here. So I have it sitting there, but it's not stuck. And I think if I think it looks pretty good, I'll just go in there and rub it. It's a mug. You know, hubby will use this at his work for pencils or whatever. Okay, there's Dad. Let's grab the other one right here. I'm going to use this a few times, this transfer tape. You can always stick it back on itself. But as long as it's still sticky, I'm going to use it. All right, again, just flip it over, press it down to help it along. This one actually did pretty good. All right, let's do this side of the mug. I'm just going to plop it there and then look at it. That's clearly crooked. Oh, I think I stuck it down too hard. The mouth is sticking. I'm going to see if I can grab that mouth. Sometimes it lets you grab it, sometimes it doesn't. It's letting me know I'm going to grab it. Okay, let me grab the other eye there. Oop. You know what? We're going to grab the mouth anyway. I'm going to pick it up like this and kind of put it backwards. We're going to go. Okay, good. It'll work. Okay, just get that where I want it to go. And just carefully hold it there. Okay. All right, now we're just going to go with it because I don't want to pick it up again. Just going to look at it again. Oh, this is sticking. Okay. I wanted more on this side, but that's okay. Okay, so there's that one. There's that side. This one's a tad bit more over, but I'm okay with it still. All right, let's grab the glasses. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and grab that little piece I had of that tape. Okay, flip it over. Now the glasses, I do want to kind of make sure they're on the right way. You don't want crooked glasses on. Okay, so just kind of get them. With the glasses, I probably recommend the clearer tape. Okay, but I think I did a pretty good job there. I got dirt. There we go. Cute, right? A little crooked, but that's okay. And our last pair of glasses right here for the other side of Dad mug. Again, it's not sticking, flip it over this way. Let's grab in the paper. Okay, there we go. Grab this one. Super cute. I think the glasses make it. Okay, so there you go. There's Dad on that side and that side. Then we have Mom on that side and Mom on that side. What do y'all think? Isn't that cute? Alright guys, there you have it, our Brother Scan and Cut project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.